As the general elections approaches, my colleague Nibin Deka has filed a special report from Naharankatia in Assam, where Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal is campaigning for votes as he takes on the Aam Aadmi Party in Dibrugarh. Take a look.
We are in Naharkotia area of Assam for this episode of the Road Stop on NewsX, and we are following the campaign trail of Sarbananda Sonowal, who is the Union Minister and also contesting from Dibrugarh constituency for the BJP ticket. And we are joined by a lot of people here who are from the Tea Garden community, who are very crucial voters as far as the Dibrugarh constituency is concerned, where Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal and former Chief Minister of Assam is contesting from the BJP ticket. Joined by Union Minister of Shipping Sarbananda Sonowal, who is extensively campaigning in Dibrugarh. Today he is interacting with the tea community members. Sir, what has been the ground mood that you have picked up so far?
Yeah, people are very happy. You have seen the jubilant faces of the
Yeah.
crowds. They are so happy in the last 10 years, whatever Modi ji has delivered. It is unique and every section of
क्या अच्छा लगता है सोनोवाल जी के बारे में?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
क्या 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 खास बात है उनमें? This is a very big festive mood that people have for you. Why is that?
So people are very happy. They are very they have been very cooperative. They have always been blessing me because of their support. I am here today with this identity. Namaskar.
You have been a chief minister, you have been a union minister, but you are also a Dibrugarh boy, representing Dibrugarh.
Yeah.
What is that feeling?
Yeah, it is great feelings from contesting from my home constituency. It is always unique and people are very happy, very kind. Thank you.
So very interestingly, this is a constituency which there are a lot of different voters.
Yeah.
There are Ahom community, Tea Garden, lot of communities.
Yeah.
So how have you been managed to successfully unite all these communities to vote in favor of you?
If you as per your commitment, if you walk with honesty and dedication and devotion, people always like you. People bless you. People consider you as a trustworthy leader. So that's all, and that is the I believe the basis of our growth. And the people around, they are very good. They are from Tea Garden, they are from Basti, Adivasi, then villages, all the Assamese communities. Everyone is walking together and encouraging us to they speed up the scale of our growth. And under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, people firmly believe that it is going to happen.
You have been a firebench student leader, but now your opposition rival is also from a student union. Do you think
that is all Congress is coming with the Congress agenda?
Yeah.
So people have already identified their character.
Yeah.
And Congress means this corruption.
Yeah.
Congress means communal politics. Congress means family politics. Congress is always working against the interest of the country. So that is why nowhere Congress is taken into
consideration. Do you think these
consideration.
areas have developed more since the BJP came from?
Yeah, of course.
What is the change? What is the change?
Because he's
কি বেলেগ পাইছে আপোনালোকে?
ভাল লাগিছে আমাৰ বিজেপি জিন্দাবাদ আমাৰ জিকিব সমান্ড সুন্দৰ লাগে
One last question, very important. The opposition is targeting you and the BJP regarding CAA. What do you think that will be a factor against you?
No, because that has been misinterpreted, isn't it? Because what they campaigned during that time. 1 crore 90 lakhs illegal migrant will come. Who is those illegal migrants? That is a false propaganda. People have now realized it.
Last question, very important question. What is your assessment for the BJP in Assam as well as for the Northeast? Since you are a national leader, you have to give us an assessment.
Yeah, of course, Assam 12 plus seat we are going to win. And then in the entire Northeast, out of 25, we are going to get 23 BJP allies.
Okay, so this was Sarbananda Sonowal. He has been campaigning extensively in Dibrugarh. We have seen him interacting with the voters today in different parts of the constituency, and he is very confident that the BJP is going to get more than 12 plus seats in Assam and going to get more than 20 plus seats in the northeastern region. And we are getting you all these ground coverage as we cover the campaign trail of this Sarbananda Sonowal, Union Minister for Shipping, and as he travels across the seat where he is contesting from a BJP ticket in Dibrugarh. With video journalist Nishanta Bora, this is Nibir Deka reporting for the NewsX. समर्थन इस टाइम सर्बानंद सोनोवाल के पास।
सर्बानंद सोनोवाल को ही देगा।
और आपका क्या ओपिनियन है? आप किसको इस टाइम आप देख रहे हैं कि आपके लिए अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, बीजेपी ने रास्ता बनाया, सड़क बनाया और बहुत काम किया हम लोग का असम में, इसीलिए हम लोग चाहते हैं हम लोग बीजेपी आए। और सर्बानंद सोनोवाल एक अच्छा आदमी है, पार्टी बीजेपी अच्छा है, लेकिन सर्बानंद सोनोवाल वो भी अच्छा है।
हाँ।
इसलिए हम लोग सब लोग
डिब्रूगढ़ के लड़के हैं तो आपको लगता है कि क्योंकि वो डिब्रूगढ़ के लड़के हैं आपका प्रॉब्लम ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझेंगे।
जरूर 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 वो मतलब सर्बानंद सोनोवाल पूरा आसाम पूरा डिब्रूगढ़ को रिप्रेजेंट करता है और इंडिया का एक बड़ा अच्छा लीडर है वो। तो हम लोग के लिए मतलब एक गौरव का बात है सर्बानंद सोनोवाल जी आज हम लोग का डिब्रूगढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट में आए हैं, तो हम लोग का सपोर्ट है।
सपोर्ट है।
हाँ।
यहाँ पे डिब्रूगढ़ में साई जनगोष्ठी जो है एक बहुत बड़ा एक कम्युनिटी है जो बहुत डिसाइड करते हैं क्या कौन जीतता है। तो साई जनगोष्ठी का डेवलपमेंट हुआ है आपको लगता है?
डेवलपमेंट हुआ है। इससे पहले हम लोग का रामेश्वर टेली थे वो भी चाय कम्युनिटी से आए हैं। उनका पकड़ और हम लोग का बीजेपी का जो पकड़ है यहाँ में मतलब चाय कम्युनिटी बीजेपी का साथ है।
Local MLA from Dibrugarh, Nahar Kotia, who is also campaigning with Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, who is also the BJP candidate. Please tell us what you have picked up regarding Sarbananda Sonowal from the ground.
As the whole over the country and all people of Assam knows what the work he has done for the state and what for the country. I'm 100% sure this time Dibrugarh Lok Sabha 16 lakhs people are going to vote for Sarbananda Sonowal, vote for Narendra Modi and vote for development.
You have a very complex demography in your constituency. Different communities are there, Tea Garden and other communities. How do you see the support for Sarbananda Sonowal in the community?
BJP government has done work for every community, and the work which has been done by Narendra Modi has not done for communities. It has done for the people of state and people for the country. Every community has been benefited from Narendra Modi. As his slogan is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Biswas, and this Biswas is for each and every community. So I think all communities are going to vote for Sri Sarbananda Sonowal ji, and he will be winning in tremendous margin.
We are in Namrup in Nahar Kotia area, and Union Minister Sarbananda just visited this historic Namghar where he prayed and also met with the locals. हम अच्छा ये जानेंगे अभी सर्बानंद जी आए थे यहाँ पे उन्होंने दिया जलाया प्रार्थना किया, तो क्या लगता है मतलब एक जो एक रिश्ता है उनका इस मंदिर के साथ भी और अलग अलग जगहों से भी लोकल्स के साथ भी मिल बातचीत कर रहे हैं, आप कैसे देखते हैं इसको?
सर्बानंद सोनोवाल जी का ये हारनगरी बरनाम का एक तो हिस्ट्री है जो पॉलिटिकल लाइफ का, वही पॉलिटिकल रास्ता वही नामघर से सेवा करके शुरू किया है। अभी सर्बानंद सोनोवाल जी हारनगरी नामघर का एकांत सेवक है। जहाँ भी होता है नामघर में लोग का याद रखता है, नामघर का सेवा करते रहता है। जहाँ यहाँ लोकल एरिया में आ जाता है तब तो ये नामघर छोड़ के कभी नहीं जाता है, इधर में नामघर सेवा करके सब काम शुरू करता है। इसलिए सर्बानंद सोनोवाल जी हम लोग का निजा आदमी है, नामघर का एकदम सेवक है निष्ठावान, और नामघर का जो उन्नयन है उन्नयन के लिए बहुत इसको सेवा ये।
आपको क्या लगता है कि आज जो उन्होंने गुरुजन का आशीर्वाद लिया है और एक लोगों का भी उनका सपोर्ट है, उनका पॉजिटिव आएगा रिजल्ट?
पॉजिटिवली हारनगरी बरनाम का नामघर का समस्त भक्त वैष्णव आई मातृ उनके सेवक है, उनके शुभचिंतक है, और वो पॉलिटिकल ग्राउंड में इनको पूरा समर्थन आग बढ़ाएंगे, ये हम लोग का उम्मीद है। और हम लोग का उम्मीद है सर्बानंद सोनोवाल जी इस बार भी बहुत ज़्यादा वोट लेकर के जीत जाएंगे, वो हम लोग का आशा है और भगवान को उसको प्रार्थना करता है हम लोग का तरफ से वो जीत जाए।
So this is what the team of NewsX are following. We are giving you all these ground updates from Assam, where from the Union Dibrugarh constituency where Sarbananda Sonowal, we are following the campaign trail of Sarbananda Sonowal. That's all for the road stop on NewsX. Keep watching our non-stop election coverage.